Welcome back to Cooking with Friends. I haven't done one of these for a while and I'm joined by the beautiful Lucy B, who is the face of...
Lucy B coconut oil.
So when I say in with a Lucy B on my videos, you now know it's a coconut oil that I use, which I'm really, really big fan of. And it's your family-run business, right?
Yeah, small family-run business. Every time I go out, it's like, in with the Lucy B. I'm like, yeah,
That's what, I get that more. I get people shout that at me more than I get lean in 15.
But anyway, I bought you a present before we start cooking.
A present? Lucy, you've already bought me loads of stuff. What is it?
Don't get too excited.
Oh, an apron. Oh, they've made a cartoon of you.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look at my waist. Look, waist goals.
So slim, so wonderful. So I don't usually wear aprons, but as you're here, I'm gonna make the effort.
So today we're doing a chicken satay. All it is in one tray, minimal ingredients, and you can take it to work with you. It's really good as a lunchbox meal.
Can you remember the very first time you saw this nutty guy called the Body Coach on Instagram using Lucy Bill? Did someone tag you in or something?
No, do you know what? I remember it really well because you had a blue top on. This is stalkerish, but you had your little blue workout top on, really curly hair. And I just saw a few tags and I was like, no one was doing funny videos like that. Like obviously I'd be tagged in pictures of people just using it in their cooking.
Yeah, I used to hang out my window.
They were just so funny to watch.
So when I first started doing Instagram, I used to hang out my window in Surbiton. There'd be like a parking warden or people. I just got a reaction of people. Yeah. It did become a thing, and I can't start a video now about saying in with a Lucy B. It feels weird. It's a family-run business, UK-based, and you've got now a big range of products coming out.
Yeah, so the reason it started is I'm a celiac. So when I was 18 months old, I was really unwell, and my parents, they'd not been around anyone that had any intolerances before, completely had to change their way of eating. They had to re-educate themselves, and we were introduced to coconut oil about 12 years ago, and we were using it all the time for our cooking. And my background's actually beauty. I was a beauty therapist, so a lot of massage and facials.
Can you give me a beauty treatment later on? Maybe sort my barnet out.
Yeah, definitely a hair mask.
Tame the curls.
So I was using it all the time, and there was very limited on the market. And as my dad and I were like, let's bring out one that's fair trade, organic, raw, in glass jars, recycled and be good to the environment. So that's sort of the story behind how Lucy B started.
So I've chopped the veg. What do you need now?
Okay, all we need now is the tray. A little bit of coconut oil on the tray. So with coconut oil, a little goes a long way. So
it does,
less is more when using it.
So what, like 1 teaspoon?
Yeah.
In with a Lucy. Hang on. In with a Lucy B.
Oh, shall I try?
I normally heat it up. Hang on.
Right,
in with a Lucy B.
Use those muscles.
Oh my God, it's gone everywhere. Right, anyway, it's in the pan.
It's in there.
Stick that in the oven. Get that in there. Get yourself a little food processor or a blender, and we're going to start putting ingredients in.
5 teaspoons of the peanut butter. Obviously, you can play around with the quantities, but this is what we're using
2,
today.
yeah. This is so deep and brown and roasted and burnt. I love it. It's like burnt nuts.
You're funny.
And then red Thai curry paste.
So this is a shop bought one, but you can make your own. This is our turmeric latte.
Look at the colour of that. It smells amazing. So this, can you just sort of mix this with milk and have like a
latte?
Yeah,
I normally just do like almond milk with a bit of honey and that, and just mix it all up.
Like that?
Perfect.
Peanut butter, the turmeric latte mix, and we're now going to put in
the cream coconut. So with this, what it is, it's just the actual cream coconut that you get in a tin. So you can use a bit more than that.
Yeah.
So you use this instead and you add water. So if you're making a curry, for instance, you just add a tablespoon of that with the water. You don't have to use a tin of coconut milk. You can
also like concentrated coconut, isn't it? A little drop of water, just to loosen up a little bit. And then we're going to blitz this up. Right, we've got 2 chicken breasts, loads of veg. So we're just going to spread the veg out on the tray,
just put a bit of veg around here.
And how long does it bake in the oven for?
So 20 to 25 minutes, I'd say 25.
We've got the veg around the outside, 2 chicken breasts, straight in the middle.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get that lovely little satay sauce that we've made.
If you've got any left over, put it in the fridge, use it the next day with something else.
So we're literally now going to bang that in the oven for 25 minutes on what, 180 degrees?
Yeah.
Keep an eye on it.
Do you find it hard not to shout like, in the oven? Like when you're doing normal ones?
With Instagram, we're like, bang it in the oven. So now we're going to serve this with some brown rice. I've got some water boiling, and then we're going to add a scoop of cream coconut,
this is really hard. You can obviously enhance it by adding desiccated coconut as well, but...
Oh, guilty.
Oh, let's put some in.
A little bit
Honestly,
of that.
It's so good.
A bit of desiccated coconut. Right, the rice is done. Chicken looks good. And I've saved a little bit of that satay sauce as well, so we can drizzle a little bit on top.
Brilliant.
Do you want to start, if I give you this, do you want to start just serving up?
Yep.
Food styling's important, make it look nice for the gram.
That is something I'm not very good at, but I'll try my best.
So the peanut butter's gone nice and crispy on top, but we can also, I've saved some, so I'm going to drizzle a little bit on top. Yeah, make it look nice. Do you want
to do it? I think honestly you'll be better. I'm so bad.
She's panicking. Look, you got to do this delicately. You want to be gentle with. So we're going to have the veg on the side.
Yep, lovely.
And again, this is so good. We've got coconut oil roasting the veg and this lovely little satay sauce. So basically, this brown rice has been cooked with some cream coconut and a little bit of desiccated coconut. So it's basically gonna be this like sweet, creamy coconut rice. So a nice big dollop of that.
Yeah.
This is a big boy's portion, not gonna lie. That burnt crispy Satay is gonna be banging.
Yeah, it's
but
gonna
I
be
just want to get a little bit more.
Good
So
plan.
little drizzle on top.
Nice.
Slow-mo drizzle of that lovely peanut satay sauce. Is that enough, Lucy?
Delicious, yeah, it looks really good.
The most important part of the whole thing is the taste test.
Yeah.
So we've got loads of flavours going on here. I'm gonna try a bit of the chicken with the rice, yeah?
Okay, I'm gonna do the same.
Oh, that satay sauce, how good's that? High five. That is my sort of recipe. It's quick and easy, thrown it in the pan, it tastes amazing. Lucy, if anyone wants to get any of your products, where can they find them?
They can get them on your website.
Which is thebodycoach.com. I've been Joe Wicks, you've been Lucy B. And remember guys, in with the Lucy B.
Goodbye.